5 people were killed after a small plane crashed into a construction site in a thickly populated suburb of Mumbai this afternoon. The plane was about to land at the Mumbai airport when it crashed some distance away in Ghatkopar, west, killing all 4 on board, 2 pilots and 2 maintenance engineers. One man was also killed on the ground.
पायलट की जान भी बचेगी ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है।
One of the pilots and an engineer were women. 2 charred bodies have been pulled out by firemen. Former Civil Aviation Minister Praful Patel tweeted that the pilot saved many lives at the cost of her own, by swerving to avoid crashing in a busy area. The plane had taken off from the Juhu airstrip on a test flight. The plane, a Beechcraft King Air C-90 turboprop, was sold by the Uttar Pradesh government to a Mumbai-based company, UI Aviation, in 2014. The 12-seater plane was reportedly delivered to the UP government in 1995.